Hello everybody. So today is an exciting day for me because today I'm going to do something I don't normally do. I'm not a person who's very prone to getting subscription boxes. I've ordered one single subscription box ever in my life and I knew exactly what was in it. So today I'm going to be opening with you Mapleblume subscription box. This is not sponsored. They did not send it to me. I purchased mine. This is a service that provides luxury, organic, clean beauty. So I was quite excited to find out about them. One of the bloggers that I'm watching on semi-regular basis recommended it. From what I've seen in previous boxes, I was impressed enough to be able to order it. And so I'm super curious about this box. I'm really hopeful that I can finally find a subscription box under which I can subscribe for long periods of time and not be super disappointed with it. I don't generally like the idea of subscription boxes, mostly because normally you end up with a bunch of crap you don't want and then have to find a home for the crap that you don't want. This one's on the pricier side, which made me think, well, maybe it's worth it. Let's check it out. And from what I've seen so far, I've been really happy with their boxes tracking back. So I decided to get one. And so this is their current box. And I want to open it with you guys on camera and let you see what is in there, what kind of products you can expect, and sort of appreciate the presentation. I haven't looked into it yet, but from unboxings of the other blogger that I follow for natural clean beauty, it looks quite impressive and nice, so I'm excited. Let's take a look. So this is what the outside box looks like. Obviously really nice and pretty. I did notice that it has a magnetic closure here, so you can definitely reuse your boxes. So let's take a look at what's inside. So this is the presentation. You have a little flower here, nicely wrapped paper. No qualms about the packaging. The presentation is really pretty. I'm going to open it up. And here we have In Light Beauty 100% Organic. I'm assuming it's a little pamphlet about the products, which is fun. Okay, and they list the various products. All right, let's put that aside for now. And then Autumn Allure, I guess, is the theme here of the Mapleblume box. And we have featured products. I'll be referring to this card as I'm pulling things out. So let's begin with, well, why don't we begin with this one? This is a Levito product inspired by nature. Looks like it's eye cream. Looks like there's some Hebrew here. And what is it? Pomegranate seed, rosehip, and citrus alert eye cream. Brighten, moisturize, and relieve puffiness. So let's see what the card says about it. Brighten, moisturize, reduce puffiness around your eye area with lightweight hydrosol water-based alert eye cream from Levito. Formulated with plant-based hyaluronic acid, cold-pressed avocado, and pomegranate seed oils, diminishes appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and is clinically proven to show significant improvement in skin hydration, texture, firmness, and elasticity. This product is listed as costing $63.78. So let's open it up and see what the packaging looks like. Obviously, I'll be reviewing these things separately later. This is what the eye cream looks like. It looks pretty nice. Has a pump. That's encouraging. So we'll see. Obviously, I have not tried the product yet, so don't know how it performs. Let's see what's next here. Let's see this one. I'm recognizing some Vapor Beauty. Yay! Excited. So this is In Light Beauty. The pamphlet that came with the box is for In Light Beauty. This is a face cleanser. Let's see what the product looks like inside, and then we'll do a readout of what it says is going on in the pamphlet. So obviously a nice little wooden scoop. I like that. And this is what the packaging looks like. So a very nice presentation. So let's read about it. It's important to adjust skincare accordingly. We're included a facial cleanser from In Light Beauty, this guy, for that very reason. It's a balm that gently cleanses while nourishing your skin and revives your senses with delightful hints of lemon, lavender, and cypress. Delve into cleansing balm and transform your daily skincare routine into a luxurious ritual. So this is a oil-based balm, I'm guessing, cleansing balm, and the value for this product is 65 bucks. I do have to admit the presentation is really quite lovely. All right, what else have we here? I'm seeing a pie package. Oh, and there's two things from Vapor. All right, let's do the pie. Pie is a brand that is very familiar to me. I've used their oil, which was fantastic. And this is Rosehip Bioregenerate Oil Omega-3, 6, 7, and 9. A long time ago, I've had a sample from another oil from Pie. So let's see the packaging. What does it look like? Or maybe it was this oil. If it was this oil, I really enjoyed it. It was a small size, like a sample size, so I'm not really sure. It didn't look like this packaging. Looks really red, just the way I remember the other one that I've used from them. All right, well, super, super excited. This is a really nice brand and very famous in clean beauty. So let's see. So featured product is the Rosehip Bioregenerate Oil from Pie Skincare. Is renowned for its skin healing properties, high concentrations of omega-3, 6, 7, and 9, as it says in the box, plus antioxidants, carotenoids, help repair and protect skin against environmental issues, visible damage, hydrate, nourish, repair. $40 is the cost of this bottle of moisturizing oil. So quite excited to try that too. So far, I'm happy with what I'm getting here. Let's see. We have Vapor Organic Beauty Mesmerize Eye Color. That's what it says on the box. Let's open it up. It's in color Ace, it says. So those two, I'm assuming, are a couple of makeup products that are included in here. Yeah, Mesmerize Ace 601. Let's see what this looks like. It's a taupey purple, I'm assuming eyeshadow. Quite moisturizing. And a bit sheer. We'll see how that looks. I will be obviously showing this to you as a makeup application, so stay tuned. Let's see what the card says. So we here have Mesmerize Eye Color Ace from Vapor Organic Beauty. Is a gorgeous smoky plum shade, agreed. Achieve a sheer wash of color, agreed, sheer wash of color, without synthetic adhesives, using precision shadow stick. Revitalizes with essential antioxidants and includes a Vapor Organic Herbal Eye Bright Complex, and moisturizes the delicate dry eye area. So $28 for this guy, retail. And the last product here from Vapor, it's Halo Illuminator. I actually had a heart to order it, so I'm really, really excited that I'm getting it. And it's in the color Moonlight 720. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, this is quite exciting. I actually wanted to purchase this, so luckily I get it in a subscription box. This is what the name is. And it's in their classic Vapor packaging. I have some Vapor products in this stick format. I don't have any illuminators. I do have a blush topper / illuminator though. So this, it looks like a color that would work for me. And it's a nice little illuminator in a stick form. So let's read about that guy. All right, so here it says, transform your everyday look with a soft halo of light. Halo Illuminator from Vapor Organic Beauty highlights and enhances your most beautiful features: cheek, brow bones, bow of lips, and décolletage. Halo is formulated with Vapor's Herbal Enlightenment Complex of frankincense, tulsi, and lotus to support healthy glowing skin. $47 retail. So I think well worth it. I think lots of cool stuff going on. I think I'm going to be pretty happy with the products that I'm receiving. And so generally very, very excited. I think a nice picking of products. There's nothing that immediately I think to myself that I wouldn't buy or wouldn't want to try. So happy with the box, guys. This really doesn't happen to me very much. So I wanted to iterate that I was kind of expecting to be happy with the box, basically based on their previous boxes. So I really sort of had an expectation that they were going to do right by me. And I am glad to have all of these guys to try, and I will be reporting back about these products and more info on happy, healthy, clean skincare and makeup for you guys. Everybody wins. That's it for today. I hope it was fun for you to watch me unbox my little Mapleblume box. And let me know down below if you've tried Mapleblume boxes or if you've tried any other clean beauty, organic, green beauty boxes, so that maybe there is something interesting out there. From my research, I was interested in trying this one, but maybe others are also just as good. All right, see you guys later. Have a wonderful day. Good luck. Bye.